When designing our Covercraft PrecisionFit seat covers, we use several different types of attachments to ensure these covers will fit perfectly and stay secure on any vehicle. When installing Covercraft PrecisionFit seat covers for your vehicle, you will encounter some or all of these attachment types. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through them all and teach you how to use them during the installation process. The first attachment is the buckle strap. The strap attached to the female side of the buckle is fixed, meaning we sew it in place so it can't be loosened, tightened, or come off. The strap attached to the male side, however, is adjustable, allowing you to pull and tighten it to secure and cinch the seat cover in place. To tighten, simply pull the loose end of the strap on the male side. To loosen, lift the tab on the male buckle to release tension. To fasten, insert the male end into the female end until you hear a click. To unfasten, pinch both sides of the male buckle and pull it free. Velcro straps. Next are Velcro straps. One side of the Velcro strap will be the coarse hook Velcro. The other will be the soft loop Velcro. We cover each side with Velcro from top to bottom to give you the flexibility to tighten your straps as much or as little as you need when installing your covers. To fasten the Velcro straps, simply press the loop and hook side together to release the straps. Just pull them apart. Velcro. Velcro is sewn directly onto many cover panels and is most commonly used on backrests, consoles, headrests, and armrests. For proper installation, pull the seat cover tight to remove slack. Align and press the hook and loop sides together until they bond securely. Velcro allows for adjustable tension and easy reattachment when needed. Shock cords are an elastic cord that's looped with a large knot on one end and an S-hook on the other. These cords are fastened through a metal grommet on straps that are sewn directly to your PrecisionFit seat covers. When installing, you pull these shock cords under your seat bottoms and attach the S-hook to the seat frame. The elastic cord is easy to stretch, but strong enough to hold the seat bottom in place without wrinkles. Feel free to shorten the length of the cord by knotting it closer to the S-hook. Elastic bands. Elastic bands are used on cover pieces such as consoles and armrests. They are sewn into each side of the cover piece, so all you need to do is slip it on and the strong elastic does the rest, keeping the cover tightly in place and looking great. Plastic slip holds. Next are plastic slip holds. These are 1-inch pieces of thin white plastic that stick directly into the edges of your covers. When installing your covers, grab the slip hold, pull tight, and slip it under the plastic seat trim. Sponge rod tubes. Sponge rod tubes are flexible but durable foam cylinders that are wrapped in fabric. These cylinders are slid into a hole at the end of the fabric that is stitched into the edge of seat bottoms. They're flexible enough to shove them into tight spaces and move freely in the fabric holes to allow you to adjust the exact positioning after installing them. Sponge pillows. Sponge pillows are similar to sponge rod tubes, but the sponge rod is fully sewn into a fabric pouch on 3 sides, with the 4th side being sewn into the edge of the cover. To install these, you'll simply press them in between your seat cushion and the trim. The durable sponge foam will expand inside the seat cushion and trim, holding it securely in place. That's it. Those are all the attachment types you'll encounter when installing your Covercraft PrecisionFit seat covers. If you have any issues, questions, or feedback, we definitely want to hear from you. Our knowledgeable and dedicated customer support team is here for you on the phone, email, or chat. Covercraft, protecting the things that move you since 1965.